Now we will see the next command, which is trim and extend command. So the first option is until selected. So I want to extend this surface up to that edge. So first I will select this edge, and then I will select the second edge. So as you can see, my surface has extended up to that edge that I have selected. So similarly, you can increase the surface or you can decrease the surface up to the selected element. Now the second option is make corner. Now I want to create a corner by extending these two sheets. So first I am selecting these edges like this, and it will create a corner like this. So this command is very useful. So this is a combination of trim sheet and extend sheet. So there is no need to first extend sheet and then trim sheet. We can directly use this trim and extend command to create a corner like this. Now we will see the next command, which is untrim command. So it is very important command. So untrim command restores the original shape of the surface. So here I have one surface and I want to get the original shape of this surface. Then I will use untrim command. So just select the surface and then click on apply. So you will get the original shape of the surface. After that, you can do any work on this sheet as per your requirement. So this is very important command. Now we will see the next command, which is delete edge. So it deletes an edge or chain of edges from a sheet body to remove an interior or exterior boundary. So as you can see here, I have created some cutouts. So if I delete this edge, then the sheet will get filled. So we will see how this command works. So in delete edges, I will simply select the edges like this, and it will fill the surface. So here we have to select all the edges like this. So in this way you can use this command. You can also select these edges like this. In tool options, there are some options. We will see one by one. So first we will see isoparametric curves. Simply select the surface and you can take isoparametric curve as per your requirement and then click on OK. So in this way you can divide your sheet. Now the next option is offset curve in face. So here I will offset this edge like this, and it will divide the sheet like this. Now we will see the next option, which is line by 2 points. So if you have 2 points, then create one line like this and then select the face. So in this way you can divide your sheet. So if you want to create some patches on a surface, then you can use this command. Now we will see the next command, which is Xform and iForm. So these commands are generally used for styling, to create some styling surfaces. So in Xform you will get some horizontal and vertical isoparametric curves like this, and you can drag these points to create the shape that you want like this. So in this way you can create your desired shape. Now let's see iForm. So in iForm you will get only vertical isoparametric curves, and similarly you can change the shape of the surface like this. So as you can see, you can create any type of shape using these commands. This is useful in styling work. We don't use these commands generally,